oh, 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 oh,
Yeah. Yes, good.
oh.
Do you feel like you have to push and use a lot of air in order to sing higher? If you do, here's a concept that's really helped me and helped a lot of my students that I teach over Zoom. And it's basically this, right? Can we find cleaner and more precise closure? And because I know this can feel a little bit vague and hard to understand, I've got an actual lesson recording today with one of my students as I guide him through this process. So feel free to practice along with this lesson so that you not only understand what we're doing here, but you can start to feel with the better reps yourself and you can start to feel the technique working.
Oh, 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 oh,
Yeah,
oh.
cool. Let's pause here for a moment. So closure's plenty. The precision is what needs a bit of work here. So this is probably why it's kind of throwing you off a little bit. Notice how there's a bit of grit happening here. There's like a few things happening. There's a bit of grit, but also like. So the sound you're kind of making here is, oh, like there's a lot of extra kind of air.
Yeah.
So we do need a bit more air for closure, but the closure should always feel like clean and precise. So see if you can kind of hear the difference, right? If I go, oh, 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 versus, oh, 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 oh. And the way you can kind of maybe go for it is think a lot less air, but there's almost like a little squeeze or grip that you're looking for on a closure level. It's not this kind of, it'll feel a lot less like a push, but you kind of feel like the chords just gripping in. Oh. That's actually the feeling that we want. If anything, this might kind of help you notice it. Can you do vocal fry like, oh.
Like that.
Yeah. So can you go from a gentle kind of vocal fry into coordination? Yes. That's way cleaner sound. So that's what we need. So try that for the next few ones. Nice. Yes. Close. That almost wanted to push, but you kind of hung around there. Try it again. See me better. Yes. Good. Yeah. Now come back down. Can you get there without the vocal fry now? Just go straight for the tap. Yeah. Yeah. Pushed a little bit. Try it again. Oh, very smart. Yeah. If you feel like I need just a little bit of vocal fry, you can kind of like sneak it in just enough to get the grip. Nice. Nice. You're back. Cool. Nice. Now, try to pull back now, but it still needs to maintain that kind of precision and grip. So even if you think softer, you can still start off with a little bit. So it doesn't ever completely disengage where you kind of just the chords come apart and then you like blow air. It's just softer. Try that now. Yes. Nice. Well done. Yeah, almost. Next one though. Let's just keep going. just stretch a little bit more. Nice. Next one. Yeah, that was pretty good. You started with a good connection. You kind of gripped in with a fry. As you go for the scoop into the note, the top note, don't let go of it because that was oh, and like as you want from the scoop, the engagement kind of disappeared or let go. Yes. Well done. E. Close. Needs a bit more stretch. Yeah, it's okay. You will get it because fundamentally the approach is it's like so much closer to what it needs to happen. In some of the reps, you're actually doing the same thing as me. It's actually not that different. How does this feel like? Like the not gonna lie, the first reps was so off, like it was so out there that I was like, man, I had to immediately correct. What does it feel like that you've adjusted? Because this is a world of a difference in terms of vocalizing.
I think going into like the vocal fry like helped because I think that helped with like because I think part of it is like when I was like trying to back off, it was like just disengaging too much maybe. So then that's why like all that extra air was like coming through. So then I was like trying to like
Yep.
So I think like doing the vocal fry to get into the note kind of helped made sure like I was engaging it like prior to hitting it.
Yeah, makes sense. So this is what closure feels like. So when you're trying to close the chords and connect, it's more of this kind of feeling. You do need a bit of grip. When you back off, it's just a smaller, gentler version of that. It never kind of goes like, or when you have to feel like you have to push for it a lot. That's because fundamentally the closure is just not the way it needs to be. Now, it's not to say that you won't use these kind of sounds in songs, but like just notice how it feels compared to each other. Yes, you're having to grip a little bit more here, but you're gripping it in correctly. And then just notice how the voice, there's no grit, there's no distortion, there's no nothing of that. It's just clean sound.